What's up, guys? Back again. So, another video. Working with a bit better quality camera gear now. So instead of using my big DSLR camera and my mobile phone, I have got myself the DJI Pocket 2 camera. So, hopefully didn't feel too drunk by me doing that. I'm still working this thing out, so you're going to have to bear with me on that. But this is going to make all the videos such better quality. So better quality, better filming, especially with me doing this in the garage by myself. So looking forward to what this camera is going to bring in the future. So little update. Been a bit crook lately, so I haven't worked on the Corolla at all or done much at all really, so just been trying to get through that, but starting to feel a bit better, so getting back into it. So what we got here is what we got here is the Corolla. So I haven't got the power steering rack in yet, that's still to be done. Like I said, I haven't been feeling the best, but today I've had a job that I've got to get done on the Corolla before I really worry about the steering rack, and that is to get all the rear boot and parcel shelf area all bed lined and blacked out, because when you fold the seats forward you see all that and everything like that. So I need to get all that blacked out and have to clean out all of the old windscreen sealant from around the windscreen while doing that. So I've worked on all of the windscreen frame on the rear. So I've just got this little bit up here to go, which you can see all the old windscreen sealer. So we'll be getting this into epoxy ASAP, so there's no bare metal. And also while I was at it, started to work on the front windscreen frame as well. So we are getting there. So pretty much prepping all of that. Got most of that ready, so I'll just hook in, get the last little bit done, get the car mast out, get a little bit of epoxy flicked on that, so then it's all sealed up, and then I can move forward with getting everything else prepped. Ow! So what happens when I leave junk laying around. So, alright, but also before I get stuck into masking up as well, I will be getting this boot area all cleaned up. As you can see, it is full of cavity wax. So I've been using the old workshop degreaser, which has got kerosene in it, so it does eat into the cavity wax really well. Cleans all of that out, and yeah, so I'll clean all that out with the degreaser, get all the cavity wax wiped out of it, and then we'll give it all a Prepsol good scrub and everything like that, so there's no contamination in there, and then start sanding it and getting everything ready for Bedliner. But today, get that cleaned out, get these window frames in epoxy, and that'll be about it. So we'll get stuck into it. so that's pretty much all the boot scrubbed out from the cavity wax stuff. Not too bad to get off when you use the degreaser, just because of that Caro base it's got. It tends to chew through wax pretty easily. So yeah, that's all off now, and gave it a bit of a prep sole and a tidy up. So I just got to get in here with the vacuum and suck all the chunks of everything that's mud and dirt and rocks and everything that was caught up in all the wax. So just got to vacuum all that out and then start prepping everything to bedline all the back and back half of the car. So get in and start masking this up to epoxy these bare metal window frames and get these into epoxy, and then can work on it from there once that's all cured. Alright, let's get stuck in. Alright guys, so we got all the epoxy done around the windows, got the rear doors removed from the car, and got all the inside of it prepped, ready to get all the bedliner done. So next step will be to mask all the car out, get it all ready, and yeah, get some bedliner on this thing so then I can start installing all the rear suspension, because all the coilovers and strut brace and everything go up in behind the seat there. So getting all that installed definitely makes it easier once it's all bedlined, so I don't have to pull it all apart again. So yeah, don't mind me, it's late, it's cold, and I'm struggling, tired. So let's get stuck into masking this car out. Alright guys, so we got all the car masked out, ready to put some bedliner down onto the interior and the boot, so I can keep moving on with this and install all the rear end stuff. So pretty much car's masked out. I've just got a tarp swinging off the wall so I don't get bedliner all over it, but as you can see, it's all looking pretty good. Don't mind me, I am just testing the tracking features on this Pocket 2. So this video is a little bit of a mess around with the camera as well. just with the tracking and following, but seems to be working really well. So now I'm at a point where I'm just ready to give this a bit of a blowout for the dust, put some epoxy down on it, and put some bedliner down, some black bedliner on it, and then that'll be it for this video. Alright guys, so that's it. Car's all bedlined in the rear, ready to unmask and just let this dry out and start fitting everything back up again. So really stoked with how it all came out and stuff. So moving forwards, car will probably sit for a little bit, still trying to work on getting the engine done, so videos will get a little few and far between for a little while, but don't worry, it will still be progressing. So we're sort of at that point where things get a little bit slow, money, and waiting for things to get done. Just mainly the engine, because the engine's the big important part to get the front end put back together. So, but that's it for this video. So come have a look at this. We got a nice bedline black boot. So car's looking really good, super happy with how it's coming along, and yeah, so that'll be it for this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.